So talking about how our values has decayed. You know, I will treat this topic from the Igbo worldview. How an Igbo man believes in name before wealth. Can I hire your family? Can the precedence your family, depending on your family name, when you be the progenitor of that your family, you understand name. That is why now Igbo. Your father is whatever, something derogatory or something bad. Neither no you walk or hard. You change the name, which a lot of people has cleaned name. How many people are interested in cleaning name? If you have a bad name, you can clean it. That is through repeated or corrections. So now, back in the days, a lot of mothers reject the now 419. But Hannah 419. We are in Yahoo. Everybody depressed. But back in the days, when them there's some ego now. They are aware. They sure. Give that father a born woman. Father born when they are not good. Family are not. The man video will say, "Because woman the way. Oh my God, Johnny, oh my gosh, because Johnny, woman now say, you understand? So if that money is illicit, definitely from there, I said, you will go. Your father, you put everything to help because name is at stake. Name is at stake. So these days, how many Igbo men now can be interested in building a name? I mean, few of us who say maintain that consciousness, that's knowledge, that's Ezi Afa. It's few now. So for those now, Acha, Bute, that is it. You get it? And at what point can I get positive on my meeting? Well, this place now, I'm not person. For how long? I can proudly tell you that my father was a good man. As in, I hold it there. He might not have left wealth for me, estate, my inheritance. But come on, I inherited this because a good number of times. I got I said, you know VIP. Okay, Batama. That alone.
Like today's energy.
Like that energy. Yes, you were there. You know, your father. You know, if he was a bad person, if he led a bad life. Okay, you know, let's go, man. Yeah, for my father, we go to my own image. Oh no! I will not live. I hold it. I will not live a life where no, God forbid. So we must, at the end of the day, put something. Okay, put that Ezi Afa. So I mean, Abata Mwechi should be eliminated. Abata Mwechi. Keep it hey, can we read it? It's one. I told me reading that. I told him, and all in Israel, also Israel, Ghana, so you must, if by any chance, I'm working with a golden spoon, one thing about is to stay honest and make an honest living and give yourself. Me with a golden spoon, give manage a silver spoon, bronze the one more. And you ring a that is it. Good thing. So I'm urging every person. Yeah, let me tell you how the best way to plant good seed in your own generation, in this generation, will speak good at all time and try your best to do good. I won't guys, nobody is perfect. You are not my quote. You are not Jesus Christ. They live a straightforward life. You might not be able to, but you must try. Can the percentage of your goodness be higher than? Actually, they want 80% of good, 20% of bad, because I don't want anything perfect. And that is it. For me, I believe in good name. I believe in Ezi Afa. Ezi Afa. Ezi Ahwa. Abu.
Yes.
Ezi Afa. Ezi Afa. Ezi Ahwa. Ezi Aha. Ezi Ehwua. So let's keep doing what is right, irrespective of what is happening in our environment. What is right is what is right. And what was the shape with it?
Like then, when children will come back home, maybe a promoter, and I'm paying a money, your source of income. And they want to chase you out. They want to tell you that, I want their lifestyle. I want to say,
yes, I can remain happy. I got working in we have copulated and we have sown our seed. You must. That is why you give it up for the Fulanese. Always got the Nigerian factor. Yes, Ndibu has that boldness, but all in a refined way. He maintain a bloodline, pure bloodline, pure Igbo. On the Igbo name, another people name is Fulani, but in had the Aral, where the Aral, I had mixing up with Aral, no, Igbo, and when that mentality, it may invade anybody. No, we don't have that. It is in our worldview. It is about worldview. Can you hear your worldview? Igbo worldview. I'm going to fall strong Igbo worldview. Can you hear? When I am one name, you will break it. You can't. My goodness, on the one number also. For strong worldview, I'm going to say it.